saw a warplane flying over America. These things I didn't see them yesterday. It was like 1 month ago. I saw a warplane flying over America, as if to bomb where Trump is. All right? Told you you've got to burn bridges for Christ to make tough decisions. I'm just being reminded of something. On the 31st, I told you they still want to kill Trump. And I said they want to use a military chopper. Didn't you hear about the crash 3 days ago? You think it's an accident? No. They are testing waters. How can a military chopper crash 5 kilometers or less from the White House? And this thing is on video. It was live. Then someone can claim, be very careful of those prophets. I am not those prophets. In Kenya, I am that prophet. That's what they want to do. And I told you, there is about the poison. They want to use either poison or meat. And I said very precisely, chopper. Very precise, chopper. They want to use a military chopper to kill Trump. Ask yourself this. If they want so much to kill him, how wicked are they? And what is Trump standing up against? We should be praying for Trump every day. I've been telling you this from last year. They still want to kill Trump. And I told you during the 31st service, they will try poisoning. Then a military chopper. I told you. And I told you it's like what they were planning here. The poisoning. Someone poisoning you is not far from you. So it is someone very close to him. It is someone close to him who will sell him out like Judas. So we should pray. You know this thing I'm saying, pray, and Christians don't pray. Do you remember COVID, the lockdown? How people suffered? When you pray for Trump, remember the lockdown. Pray for Trump. He is not a madman. He is a man who's defending his country and defending other nations from some few global elites. All right? So pray for him.
The first video we want to show you, the bright light that you see at the top is the American Airlines jet as it approached the runway. Then you see the helicopter flying directly into the frame and directly into the plane. Both aircraft immediately then crashing down into the Potomac River. The second video, it appears to be surveillance video from the airport and showing the very same helicopter moving along the river as the plane approaches the runway at DCA, and then the collision and the explosion.